Dog, you have to put your foot on the brakes too. You're going like you're just a drive. Yeah. Go on. Go on. Go on. Here for the movement, man. Yo, Chromatic have a thing for him thing like the man say. Seeing, you know, like when you do something, you make a mistake and you have to cut.
Yeah.
About 2 million. You know, the man said, like the man that say, popcorn in association with Not Nice. The man said, Pop Nice in association.
Oh, him said what?
No, dog, Tanto Blacks.
The man make about 1 million mistake. Yo, but I tell him, I watch you all like that. The man a jam.
The man a sample man that dog.
The man a sample star.
And then man a DJ man say, yo, Gaza, me say.
Yeah.
It a tape? Yeah. You have a bag of selector in a business and the man girl is on a rape.
A fish.
A fish, but you know, Vybz Kartel and Popcorn, Not Nice. Khalistan, aka Afghanistan. And Mooney, we represent for Chromatic. You see me I talk about, and why we say Chromatic, look on the bench, it's Chrome and it's Matic.
Why?
Yeah man, and just like the Benz Chromatic is S-Class, that means very special, there's no other like it. Okay, every lady want to buy it. And when I tell you this, the people they made to vote, the Chromatic sound, the sound of the year, because and them lock down every uptown event, them lock every downtown event, them lock every Portmore event. So this award is something the haters should not prevent. I'm going to tell you, say, I think the name already sealed in cement. So them for know, seeing the people them go out and vote the Chromatic the sound of the year. I swear. You hear? Forward nearer. Forward nearer. Everybody know Vybz Kartel artist of the year, song of the year, controversial artist of the year, male of the year, means everything of the year, except queer. Watch me now. Everybody know Popcorn is the best new artist and he's the smartest of the year. Everything. And you know Not Nice is producer of the year. See? But right now, we don't not talk about Vybz Kartel and we're not talking about Popcorn and we're not talking about Not Nice. We're talking about Chromatic. You see me I say? All none of the wannabe bad man get on their own Matic. Oh. Yeah, Chromatic will say, DJ of the year. Vybz Kartel said that. Make sure you vote for Chromatic. So take up on the phone, go up on the internet, do what it takes to make Chromatic #1, as he already is. And this is Vybz Kartel explaining the biz. No, oh.